this is Sarah from Spooky Sweet Spoots. I figured we would do an unboxing today. I did acquire 5 new jumpers, which I'm really excited about. I acquired them on MorphMart, and it was great to work with. And I know it does say that it is, it has like the USPS box on it, but it was shipped FedEx. I had to go this morning over to the FedEx hub to pick it up. Being that I am based out of Illinois, it is a lot colder out here. So I wanted to make sure that these weren't just sitting on the porch in the cold, being that it is 34 degrees out right now. Shipping with the seller was super easy. I gave him my closest FedEx hub that he could ship to, and he created a FedEx label, got the tracking number from him, and it was overnight shipped. So that means I didn't have to wait long for my spiders, which was wonderful. And I do love the fact that it does have a live animal tag on here. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So first thing that I did, so I did open this beforehand just to make sure before I left FedEx that everything was good. And I may have been just a little too excited about seeing my spiders. So opening it up, there was already, he included a heat pack, which is adhesive on the back side. So that way it sticks right onto the box. Still a little bit warm, which is great, so that means that they would have been good for a little while. He has paper in between, so that way the heat pack wasn't directly on the spiders. Again, really appreciate it. That's great packing. Alright. So, we got a box. And I believe we had one loose one in here, so we'll go ahead and show off the first one. This is my male jumper. Again, he is a lot bigger than what I am used to. All my babies are still like I6, I7s, and he is a big boy. I mean, compared to my finger, he is about the half size of my thumb. This is amazing. So he is apparently the biggest boy that that this guy had. So I sent him my way. So for a theme for this grouping of spiders, they're all mature males that I am wanting to do themed enclosures around, and so we are going to do supernatural themed. So this shall be, I am thinking Sam Winchester, because he is a moose of a spider. He is gigantic for a jumper, so he will be my big boy. This will be Sam. All right. So we have Sam. Let's go ahead and open up the other one. So in here, he has the rest of the jumpers. So this one is a female. She is beautiful. Get a little closer look to her. So we can get her face. Hi, baby girl. Oh, look at you. Look at those eyes. So my girls I am naming Charlie and Lilith. So this will be either Charlie or Lilith. Not quite sure which, because I want to see what the coloring is on the other one. So I think if there's a darker one, I'm going to probably go with Lilith. And one of them is actually not following the theme. I will say that. My husband already picked out a name. Here is the other boy. Ooh, look at you. So this is the other male that I got. He's a bit smaller than the other guy, but definitely a male. And if you guys are wanting a video that I can talk through how I can tell what is a male and what is a female, I can gladly do another video on that. So this guy will be our Dean. Let's see. Save her for last. So then this one is the other female. She's another big one. My goodness. I have only handled some of the smaller jumpers, so I'm not used to seeing these guys get so big. She's so pretty. So this will either be Charlie or Lilith. I don't know which one I want to do which. I think she might be Lilith. I think we'll just do the size, and Lilith is a pretty strong name, so I think we'll do Lilith for her, and then Charlie for the other. Hi, baby girl. Oh, you are so cute. Cannot wait to get these guys in their enclosures. Alright, so the last one does not follow the supernatural theme, which is okay. My husband already picked out the name, and she is more on that like grayish white color. The person said they were a silver, like a silver color, like a silver morph, which I don't know if that actually exists. So I think this is more on the white morph, I think. But there's some dark colors in her. She is so pretty. Now, she is potentially gravid. Gravid for spiders, these mean that they are pregnant. So she may be pregnant. She was a wild caught. All 5 of these were all wild caught. So I bought that knowing that they were wild caught. But I really wanted to get a gravid spider so that way I could start breeding these guys, learning about the babies. I really wanted to get into the process of starting out from the egg sac and then basically growing up the babies and starting breeding. So I really do hope that she is gravid, but she is pretty. So with the dark coloring on her, the silver, my husband said we should name her Pepper. I figure like salt and pepper, like the spices, and he said no, because we're 90s kids. Salt and pepper. It is after the singing group. Definitely 90s kids represent. So this, everyone, is Pepper. I cannot wait to get you guys all into enclosures. So I'm still working on some of the enclosures. So next video, I think we'll go ahead and do getting them into their enclosures. But there's my babies. With that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!